I already unplugged some of these obviously, but in this box it comes from the back. You can have your partner or someone wiggle it from inside, but it'll be pretty obvious which ones it is. On ours, the wires are black and orange, and then for the main pump is just a single gray. But basically when you wiggle those, you can wiggle it through the box and just find where they hook to the power. Just unplug them. Make sure they don't get stuck on anything when you pull them through.
Like so.
Like so. And don't pull too hard so you don't skin other wires next to them. But that way, you know, if this was just, you know, extra stuff in the box, whatever. But this is my main heater harness now. And from the inside, I can pull that through. In fact, I will. If you want to just chill over here.
Well, I wanted to show what it's hooked up to inside. Excuse our messy bus.
So this is the harness with the little gray wire, our 4 black and oranges. And now it just plugs in through this wall. Should be able to give it a few little tugs. And it should behave itself. You might get stuck on the terminal ends. If that's the case, just pull them through one by one. And there you go. Your heater electronics are deleted.
What about the actual coolant part? How did you go about doing that?
So, I don't know that you'll be able to come by the tools as easily, but basically I use these. You can get them real cheap on Amazon. They're just coolant line pinch off tools. They work half decent, but basically I pinched here to stop the flow back up to these hoses, and then I pinched off these little guys. And in this one, all I did was unhook the hose clamp holding this hose on and loop it. So now coolant will just go through this way instead of going to the back. And then now I can unhook the mounts for these and pull those out of the bus.
They're icky.
Yeah, they're a little worn out.
Oh, but that's just like styrofoam.
Yeah, it's cool floaty.
Cool.
Nothing real crazy to, figure out. These were nice, but they're not necessary. When you have your hose open, basically you can just shove it in the end of the hose and it'll stop it from leaking out. The main thing you want to do is just try not to lose coolant from the body. So just these 2 hoses are the most important. Pinch them off or plug them off. You can use vice grips. If you don't have the pinch off tools, just needle nose vice grips work really well. And as long as you get the bulk of the flow slowed down. Yeah, that's about it. Every bus is going to be a little different, but.
And how would you suggest, because aren't we going to reuse the heaters but put in smaller heaters?
Yeah, but that's something we'll probably figure out. I was thinking about doing radiant floor heat, but I don't know how I want to do that yet.
Cool.
So.
All right, thank you guys for watching.